Hello, dear students. In yesterday's class, we learned what is quadratic equation, what is affected quadratic equation, pure quadratic equation, and we have seen one example also yesterday. Today, we'll see two worked example. Question is represent the following situations mathematically. The one situation is given, okay. In this problem, two questions are there and the situation is here. For these two situations, we have to represent this situation mathematically. Let's start. Question number 1. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. We don't know how many marbles John had and how many marbles Jeevanti had. What is given here is both together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Both John and Jeevanti lost 5 marbles. And the product of number of marbles they now have is 124. After losing 5 marbles by each of them, the product of the marbles is 124. We would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. So we have to represent this situation mathematically. That's it. We no need to find the values of x. In the exam, it can be question can be to find the value of x also. So if question is that, we have to factorize whatever we got and we'll get the answer of that. Now let's start solution. We don't know how many marbles John had and how many marbles Jeevanti had. So what we are doing, we are taking, suppose John had x marbles, or you can say let the number of marbles John had, the number of marbles John had bx. Okay, suppose John had x marbles, then the number of marbles left with Jeevanti will be 45 minus x. The Jeevanti will have 45 minus x marble. How it is 45 minus x? See, suppose there are two persons. Okay, there are two persons. Suppose these two persons, okay, together have 45 marbles, suppose. And what we know, this person have 10 marbles. And we don't know how many marbles this person had. How will you find out? It's very simple. If I subtract this value from this one, then I will get this person have how many marbles. 45 minus 10 is equal to 35. I am explaining just for the example. Okay, just giving example. Now in our case, we don't know how many marbles John had. We don't know how many marbles Jeevanti had. What we know, together they have 45 marbles. And we have taken the number of marbles with John are x. So if one person has x marbles, then another person will have 45 minus x marbles. If person have 10 marbles, if we know, then we'll subtract that one, we'll get the answer of that. If we don't know, we have taken that as x, then it will be 45 minus x. Then what the question is saying, the product of the number of marbles, sorry, both of them lost 5 marbles each. Means John lost 5 marbles and Jivanti also lost 5 marbles. If John lost 5 marbles, then the marbles remaining with him, the marbles left with him is equal to x minus 5. What we know, the marbles John had right now is x. He lost 5 marbles. When you convert the lost in the mathematical form, it will be minus. He lost 5 marbles. Suppose you have 10 marbles and you lose 5 marbles. 10 minus 5, the 5 marbles will be remaining with you. Here John had x marbles, he lost 5 marbles, x minus 5. Same for the Jivanti. If Jivanti lost 5 marbles, okay, Jivanti lost 5 marbles, then the marbles left with Jivanti. Right now, how many marbles Jivanti had? 45 minus x. Okay. Now she lost 5 marbles. It will be minus 5. John had initially x marbles. He lost 5 marbles, x minus 5. Then Jivanti also lost 5 marbles. Initially she had 45 minus x. So remaining marbles with Jivanti are 45 minus x. She lost 5 marbles minus 5. So remaining marbles with Jivanti are 40 minus x. 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x. Now what he is saying, the product of the number of marbles they now have is, after losing 5 marbles by each of them, the product of the remaining marble is 124. What he is saying, product of the remaining marbles, product is equal to 124. Product of the remaining marbles. After losing 5 marbles, the marble remaining with John and Jivanti, the product of it is 124. X minus 5. Product means we have to multiply. Then marbles remaining with Jivanti, 40 minus x is equal to 124. Now open the bracket. X into 40 is 40x. Then x into minus x will be minus x square. Now minus 5 into plus 40 will be minus 200. Then minus 5 into minus x. Minus into minus plus 5 into x. 5x is equal to 124. Now I'll keep minus x square as it is, because I have only one term of minus x square. We have two terms of x. We have to add those two terms. Both are in plus. 40x plus 5x will be plus 45x. Now minus 200. Transfer this 124 to left hand side. Minus 124 is equal to 0. Now minus x square, then plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 will be minus 324. Student, same sign we add. Here signs are same, we are adding it. So sum of the negative integer is negative. Now this sign should always be positive. Keep in mind, this value should always be positive. It should not be negative. So to make it positive, we have to multiply whole equation by minus. Multiply whole equation by minus. Minus into minus plus, then minus into plus minus 45x, then minus into minus is plus 324 is equal to 0. This is our required mathematical form. This is the required mathematical form.